Listen to this incredible story about a man who had a very strange morning just recently. He woke up at 5 a.m. to a frightening noise in his room. It was a frantic, scratching sound, and it was coming from inside his walls. He immediately started thinking, is that a mouse, a rat, or something worse like Pennywise? He didn't know what he would find, but he knew he had to look. His child slept right through the entire drama. Whatever was stuck in there, it was clearly desperate to get out. So the man quickly came up with a very unlikely plan to try and trap whatever it was. He thought to himself, this'll never work. But then, after just a couple of minutes, it happened.
It's okay.
What tumbled out was a starling.
It's okay.
It had fallen down his chimney and got stuck in an old fireplace cavity that had been sealed up for decades. The little bird was completely covered in soot, but thankfully, he seemed otherwise fine. So, the man gently picked him up, took him outside, and then finally set him home.